wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day and starting another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Japan. This is an Acecook variety. It was found in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. It is a Shio variety. And sometimes they'll put these sachets on top, little liquid sachets. This one was in the cup, which is kind of weird. I don't understand why sometimes they put them on top, sometimes they put them inside. Let's see what we got here. All right. And we need 3 minutes. There you go. I'll put this right on top of there. So yeah, the buzz around our house right now are guinea pigs. Yeah, and trying to figure out where we would put said guinea pigs. I'm thinking over there. Yeah, but I got to figure out. I got to get. Yeah, I'm gonna prepare for the arrival of said guinea pigs. I want to name them. Like, what would be a good guinea pig name? Roadhouse. Spock. My sister had, I think they were gerbils when she was younger, and she named one Sadat and one Begin, I think. Political name. I don't think we'll go that far. We can call one Putin and call one Biden, or Putin and the Ukrainian guy's name. But I don't think that'll go on as long as the stuff over there is going to go on. I don't know what's going to happen next with that. That's crazy. You know better than I do. You're in the future, but I'm not. And my present is right now coated in the idea of the guinea pig, which will make for really cool new intros and outros. I'm really excited about that part. I could do like trippy psychedelic guinea pigs. So I wonder if they could eat noodles, if that'd be safe. That's a possibility, you know? Have a guinea pig standing up, eating a noodle. That'd be a cool intro. Although somebody'd probably tell me that that's like absolutely a horrible thing to do and I shouldn't do that. And I don't want the guinea pig to get the poops, you know? Yeah. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll see. Oh yeah. Yeah, so that should be interesting. We're going out today, gonna go get some stuff in the stove pretty quick. And it's getting time that I start prepping for the top 10 list, the annual global top 10. It's March, and that usually comes out the Monday closest to the 20th of April every year. Yeah, so I'll have to start getting on that. I'm way far ahead. These will be reviews 4207 through 4209 today. This will be 4208. And the last one I posted, I think, was 4083. So I could take like 3 months off of reviewing, but the pile of noodles would just stack up. So just trying to jam through as many of them as I can right now. And find time to do all the walking I like to do. And it's just constantly like a battle of, okay, I got time to do this, I got time to do this. Yeah. I want to do more and more and more. But now it's 12 days until my birthday. There's some seasoned oil. Looks kind of nice. Some kind of seafood Shio? I don't know. We'll see. Let's see how this noodle came out. Not bad. Here is broth. That looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Not bad. I will say this is a solid performer. Alright, we'll use this bowl. Now, I thawed out 2 slices of chashu, but I don't really think I need 2 slices of chashu today. And I definitely don't want to put 2 slices on this. What I didn't do this morning is make eggs because I just didn't feel like it. Alright. Come on, you. Okay. And a little spring onion. Oh no, let's just do the mung bean sprouts first. I'm really, really low on spring onion. In fact, this is all I've got left. So I need to go get more of that. And some seeds. And some shichimi, why not? No, let's do some oil. Some Leu chili oil. And some shichimi. I'm in the mood. Let's get crazy. There we are. Yeah, this part is still like giving me fits. At least I can see it in on the screen on this thing. That's a plus. That makes things a little bit better. But yeah, let's do it. Again, this is from Zen Pop. Thanks again for sending those boxes over, guys. And the next one we're gonna have is this King's Noodle. And the last King's Noodle variety I did was absolutely spectacular stuff. This is their hot and sour. So yeah, I'm pretty juiced on this one. This is Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.